Bitcoin is starting to fall. I spoke about this area here yesterday where we're probably going to start to get some movement. And it went down, then it went up, and it looks like it's starting to make its way down, which is what I said I was leaning more towards the downside. Because we've got this resistance level here, and we have got to take it step by step. So it looks like it tried to break through, it hasn't, it has rejected it, and it probably will at least come down to this 80k level. Now I've always said for a while, I've been saying for a couple of weeks that my target level is this 75k mark, and I'll quickly show you a few other charts as to why I'm thinking that. We're in a downtrend, and with downtrends, when you have these, it hits the bottom of the trend line, then it hits the top, and then it hits the bottom again, then it hits the top, and I really do think it's going to come down again before taking off. And I want to clarify, I am bullish overall. We are in a downtrend, and there's no denying it, I keep saying it, but I just feel that we've got a little bit further to go. I've got this one here as well. Like, there's many different trend lines. You can keep drawing trend lines all day long, and they're guidelines. But yeah, I've got my eye on this area. Alts, they're just going to follow Bitcoin. I mean, I talked about Ethereum could come up to this level if Bitcoin does go up. And again, what do we see here? We see a similar thing with Ethereum here. There's a resistance line, and we have got to take it day by day. If it breaks this, and then we got to look at the next level of resistance, which would be that. And then if it breaks that, then I'm probably looking at this area here. So I repeat, I am bullish. I don't think this run is over, but we probably will see lower levels. I mean, I'm looking at some alts, they've done all right, but yeah, they just don't look good, the charts. They've broken all these different trend lines and they keep falling. Tau has been teasing us. But the problem with alts is, like, this looks like a really good chart for Tau. And it's broken this short-term resistance trend line, and it could continue to go up. But my concern is when Bitcoin's not doing well, it drags everything else down. And we've got virtuals here. It's broken this long-term trend line. It's flirting with this small resistance line, but it's probably got more falling. And so yeah, unfortunately, I still have to be bearish. Or I still am bearish short-term. Stocks are doing all right. I'm just flicking through the charts. Yeah, gold is doing well. This is another reason why I'm bullish. Everything else is doing relatively well, and Bitcoin will recover. And until we get that liquidity pump, which I keep going on about, USM2, which is due to start in about a week, and so we'll probably have a bit of falling until then. But yeah, once that liquidity comes in, then yeah, it's going to be game on again.